Hello, my name is Bálint Kis. I'm 18 years old student from Hungary. My method and my development is for Key-12, Key 9 to 12 for students, for educators, instructors and communication staff of technology developers like Arduino, Steel Launchpads and iMiLek and Mario. It can be implemented in curriculum in educational method of electronics, informatics and physics. We can get up-to-date experience for those students who are interested in understanding and learning electronic technology, even if they haven't got previous knowledge. The technological background means that students and teachers using a learning tool called embedded system. They have access to online materials like videos, wikis, step-by-step multimedia tutorials. The total cost is between $10 and $300 depending on the embedded system that someone has chosen. By online tutorials, students may go ahead by their own pace even without educator support. It is very suitable for blended learning. In this case, students can do experiments in smaller, larger groups. Teacher's role is facilitator in this case. They are also involved in building and developing new methods by successful experiments, because a successful experiment will be inserted into the resource. Stakeholders. Students are able to learn high technology and they can access and use high-tech developments. Teachers with these resources could be more efficient as they don't have to worry about building experiments. Together with teachers, students can connect the available modules and build what they need, and they can build a new device. A very interesting stakeholder is the industrial environment. Technology developers interested in usage and selling their high-tech microcontrollers, and they are also interested in education and the communication of technology. Industry is interested in dialogue with teachers, students and mentors. Technology developers say that those young people who can learn and build those new devices, called IoT or Internet of Things, will shape the world, and they are interested in using their specific technologies or devices. I must mention the very important role of the research centers like Institute of Technical Physics and Material Science and science centers like Agora and Mobilis in Hungary. They help young people to meet science and research at early age. Yes, using technology we can make a lesson more powerful to students. Students can have a hard time to make an experiment and build everything correctly. This can be achieved by using my online resources. Videos can explain the problems. Step-by-step multimedia contents let the students go ahead by their own pace to build the correct device. Wiki contents are summarized and contains all descriptions, documentations and source codes. Feedback is in real time. If someone follows these tutorials, we'll build a working device and it will work. My experience is that students became very motivated to learn by building successful devices. In this case, the knowledge can be used in real life. Building a toy or building a real device is exactly the same. While constructing, designing and developing some successful devices, we can have access to theoretical background as a next step for deep knowledge.